Let's embark on an unprecedented journey of excellence and leadership. Since its inception in 1998, KIET Group of Institutions has grown into one of the leading higher education institutions in India. Notably, the institute has 4 domains: engineering, computer application, management, and pharmacy. A few distinguished accolades of the group are 187th rank in the engineering category and 97th rank in the pharmacy category in NIRF ranking 2022 released by the Ministry of Education, Government of India. A+ grade by National Assessment and Accreditation Council. KIET has been conferred 6 awards: NAAC A+, NIRF Engineering, ARYA, NBA Engineering and Management, NIRF Pharmacy and NBA Pharmacy by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University. It is the highest number of awards received by any institution of AKTU. Institute of the Year North Award by ASSOCHAM National Council on Education. Scientific and Research Organization by the Ministry of Science and Technology. Best Engineering College in North India for Placement 2021 awarded by the Center for Education Growth and Research. Diamond Band with A+ grade in the OBE Rankings 2022 and is also positioned as the premier institution for academic excellence in India. QS iGauge Academic Excellence Diamond Rating Certificate and QS iGauge Institution of Happiness Award by Honorable Union Minister Srimati Smriti Irani. 4 stars in IIC Annual Performance Ratings for the year 2020-21 awarded by Ministry of Education Innovation Cell AICTE. The Beyond Curriculum initiatives of KIET include the Advanced Diploma in Automotive Mechatronics, ADAM, a course jointly run by KIET Group of Institutions and Mercedes-Benz India Limited. KIET MBS Research and Development Center for Biomedical Instruments, Center for Advanced Woodworking in association with BSA Manufacturing Company Private Limited. Center of Excellence in Space Technologies, a skill development center for preventive maintenance and repairing of advanced BS6 vehicles in cooperation with Hero MotoCorp and ASDC has been established at KIET campus. The institute has also established 4 departments that are beyond the curriculum. These are Department of Public Relations and International Relations, Department of Soft Skills Development, Department of Skill Development and Finishing School, and the Department of Innovation and Entrepreneurship. In line with Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat, KIET Technology Business Incubator has been set up under the aegis of the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. KIET TBI also collaborates with the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, and the Small Industries Development Bank of India to promote startups and entrepreneurship. KIET TBI has been accorded the National Award for Technology Business Incubator 2020 on May 11, 2022 by the National Science and Technology Entrepreneurship Development Board, Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. Finishing School at KIET is an initiative of KIET to prepare students for placement through an in-house certification program named ASSET, Aptitude, Soft Skills, English and Technical Training. KIET SSB Academy has been set up to provide pre-selection training for SSB interviews to the students aspiring to join the armed forces. NCC at KIET has been established with an objective to create a pool of trained, organized and motivated youth to join the armed forces and serve the nation. KIET focuses on developing global citizens so that our students may contribute towards 17 Sustainable Development Goals as laid down by United Nations. Excellence is a prevailing attitude of KIETians.